What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today what I want to do is go over the process of setting up Composer on macOS. Composer is very important towards our workflow. We're going to be using it for a lot of the tools that we use for linting and for verifying that our code is following best practices. Alright, so real quick, if you can, consider supporting the channel by getting a copy of DevWP. DevWP is a WordPress development theme that I've been working on for years. I put in thousands of hours into creating an efficient and productive workflow. When you make a purchase, you support the channel, and you also get all the files, the folders, and the documentation on how to get set up quickly and start developing custom WordPress themes. Also consider subscribing to the channel and check out some of my previous videos. Alright, so in order to get Composer, you would go to getcomposer.org and then /download. And it's very simple to get started with. What you would do is take this code right here, copy it, go into your terminal, and then paste it. Now you do need to have PHP already on your system, but I'm assuming you already watched the MAMP video on how to install MAMP, which installs PHP. So you would just paste that code right there, hit enter, and it'll start the process of downloading Composer into your system. I already have Composer, so there's no need for me to do this, but that's the command you would use. And then you would go over here, and you would see that you're going to probably want to move Composer into your directory path. So you would take this command right here and then paste it into your terminal. Mine is already set up, but that's the command you would use. If you run into any issues, it really depends on your system. If you get any permission denied message on your system, then you would use sudo chmod plus x for executable, then user, this is the /user directory, local bin composer. You most likely won't need to use that, but just in case, it's good to know about it. Once you have Composer set up, you're probably going to have to restart your terminal, and then you could run the command composer -- version. And you see the version of Composer that you're running with. If you want to see what commands you have available, type out the Composer command by itself and hit enter or return. And then you see the version, but you also see some of the usages, the options, and the available commands. If you need to update Composer itself, for self-update, let me clear the screen. You would run the composer self-update command, then hit enter. And if you have Composer packages already installed and you want to update those, you would type out composer update, and that'll update all your packages. So definitely take a look at the Composer website. Check out the documentation. You can see some information about the different versions they have and when they get updated, and see the change log. But Composer is a very valuable tool to use, and throughout the process of creating these videos, I'll show you exactly how we're using Composer in terms of our WordPress theme development workflow. Alright, so if you can, again, consider making a purchase of DevWP. It does support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, hit that notification icon, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding!